chills from 2 to 8 degrees above zero are expected. Where? Most of southwest North Carolina, East Tennessee, and southwest Virginia. When? From midnight Eastern Standard Time, or 11 p.m. Central Standard Time Sunday night to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Impacts. The cold wind chills could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. What? For the first cold weather advisories, very cold wind chills as low as 0 to 10 above zero expected. Where? Portions of southwest North Carolina and East Tennessee. When? For the first cold weather advisory, from midnight Eastern Standard Time, or 11 p.m. Central Standard Time tonight to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. For the second cold weather advisory, from 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 5 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday to noon Eastern Standard Time, or 11 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts. The cold wind chills could result in hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. What? Very cold wind chills from 0 to 15 degrees. Where? Portions of central, east central, north central, northeast, northwest, and west central Georgia. When? From 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Wind chills from 5 to 15 above across much of north and portions of middle Georgia are expected, with wind chills as cold as 0 in the North Georgia mountains. Avoid prolonged exposure if possible and have a safe heating source, particularly for those who may be experiencing power outages. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. Make frequent checks on older family, friends, and neighbors. Ensure portable heaters are used correctly. Do not use generators or grills inside. This WARNNG is for the following counties in Georgia: Fannin, Gilmer, Lumpkin, Towns, Union, and White. What? Significant icing. Additional ice accumulations of 1/10 to 1/2 inch. Winds gusting as high as 30 miles per hour tonight. Where? Portions of east central, north central, northeast, and northwest Georgia. When? Until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Significant ice accumulation on power lines and tree limbs may cause widespread and long-lasting power outages. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare for extended power outages. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. The current time is 1:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here are the 1 p.m. weather observations from around the area. At Blairsville, it was cloudy. The temperature was 48 degrees, dew point 45 degrees, relative humidity 89%, wind south at 13 miles an hour gusting to 33, pressure was 29.73 inches and falling. At Gainesville, with fog reducing visibility to 1 mile, the temperature was 27, dew point 25, relative humidity 92%, wind east at 14, with a wind chill of 16, pressure was 29.88 inches and falling. Elsewhere across Georgia, at Athens, with mixed precipitation and fog, it was 27, wind east at 12. At Ellijay, with drizzle and fog, it was 43, wind southwest at 12 gusting to 28. At Rome, with rain, it was 42, wind north at 3. At Cartersville, with mixed precipitation and fog, it was 36, wind northwest at 8 gusting to 24. At Atlanta, with drizzle and fog, it was 33, wind southeast at 9 gusting to 29. Across the Carolinas, at Asheville, with light freezing rain and fog, it was 30, wind southeast at 7. At Greenville-Spartanburg, with fog it was 25, wind northeast at 7. At Anderson, with fog it was 26, wind east at 9. Across Tennessee, at Knoxville, with rain and fog it was 35, wind south at 7. At Chattanooga, with rain and fog it was 41, wind southeast at 8. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for north and central Georgia. For this afternoon and tonight, an ice storm warning is in effect across most of North Georgia. A winter weather advisory is also in effect immediately south of the ice storm warning, where lesser ice accumulation is expected. Expect continued impacts. Further ice accumulations will be greatest in northeast Georgia this afternoon as a line of potentially heavy freezing rain moves through the area. A tornado watch has been issued for portions of west central Georgia until 7 p.m. The primary risk will be damaging winds as well as a tornado or two. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. The ice storm warning and winter weather advisory will remain in effect until Monday morning. Significant impacts to road conditions and power infrastructure are likely by Sunday morning. Cold conditions will, after the ice storm has ended, could exacerbate icy roads on Monday. Gusty winds will increase the threat of falling tree limbs with heavy icing. Additionally, very cold nighttime temperatures and feels-like temperatures from Monday through potentially Friday will be an added concern for areas with impacted utilities and for vulnerable populations. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not requested, but spotters are encouraged to submit reports of winter weather through the web by going to weather.gov/Atlanta. Slick conditions possible overnight into early Monday. There may be patches of light freezing rain or drizzle this evening before precipitation transitions to light snow showers and flurries overnight across the area. While the precipitation is expected to be very light, some spots may pick up very light freezing rain accumulations of 1/100 of an inch or so, and snow accumulations of a dusting to few tenths will be possible as well. In addition, any lingering water on roadways may freeze overnight as temperatures plummet. Be prepared for slick spots on roadways overnight into Monday morning. The morning commute could be affected. Use caution if you will be driving. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the northeast Georgia mountains. Tonight, windy. Mostly cloudy this evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A slight chance of rain showers and freezing rain early. Patchy fog this evening. Areas of freezing fog this late evening and early morning. Lows 15 to 21. Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Monday, windy, sunny. Highs around 30. Northwest winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Monday night, windy, cold, clear. Lows around 8 above. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. West winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tuesday night, cold. Clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 18. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Wednesday and Wednesday night, mostly clear. Highs in the upper 30s. Lows 15 to 20. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows 15 to 20. Friday and Friday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 30s. Lows around 10 above. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly clear. Highs in the lower 30s. Lows around 15. Sunday and Sunday night, mostly clear. Highs in the upper 30s. Lows around 20. For more detailed weather, water, and climate information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta.